In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Calendly email. Whether you're updating your professional contact information or simply switching to a more regularly used email account, Calendly makes this process straightforward and hassle-free. So grab a cup of coffee and let's walk through the steps together. First things first, head over to Calendly's website. You can find it by typing calendly.com into your browser's address bar. This will bring you to the homepage of this free online appointment scheduling software. It's a site many professionals use to organize meetings without the back and forth emails that usually come with scheduling. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login button. You'll find it easily accessible, showing you're just a few steps away from managing your account settings. Click on it and you're ready for the next step. In today's interconnected world, many platforms allow you to use existing accounts to log in. Calendly does just that with Google. So, the next step involves clicking Continue with Google. This will simplify the process by using your Google account credentials, bypassing the need to remember another set of login information. After choosing to continue with Google, you'll see a list of Google accounts if you have more than one. Here you'll select the account associated with your Calendly profile. This step is crucial because it ensures that you are changing the email linked to the correct Calendly account. Following the selection of your account, you'll be prompted to click Continue. This action is a standard security check by Google to verify that you indeed intend to use this account with Calendly. Now let's navigate inside Calendly to where the magic happens. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard, but to change your email, you'll need to access your profile settings. Head to the Calendly homepage if you're not already there, and look for a profile icon located at the top right corner of the page. This is your gateway to personalizing your Calendly experience. Click on this profile icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, choose Profile. This selection will take you to your account's core settings. Think of it as the control room, where all your personal information and preferences can be managed in one place. Within the profile settings, you'll find an option labeled Login Preferences. This is where Calendly allows you to update how you access your account, including your email address. Go ahead and click on Login Preferences to proceed to the final step of this journey. You're now in the home stretch. Look for the Change Email button. It's a straightforward but significant option allowing you to update the email associated with your Calendly account. This is the action that culminates all the steps you've followed so far. When you click Change Email, you'll enter a new email address that you wish to associate with your Calendly account. Ensure you have access to this email as you'll likely need to verify the change through a confirmation message sent by Calendly. This step is a crucial part of keeping your account secure and making sure only you can make such significant changes. After entering your new preferred email, follow any additional prompts to verify the change. This might include checking your new email inbox for a confirmation link from Calendly. Clicking this link will finalize the change, effectively updating your account's email address. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of changing your email on Calendly. It's a straightforward procedure that ensures you can keep your professional scheduling tool up to date with your current email address. Remember, keeping your account information current is vital for smooth communication and scheduling through Calendly. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Calendly is a powerful tool for managing appointments, and by keeping your account updated, you can maximize its potential. Here's to more streamlined scheduling and fewer back and forth emails. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below.